Good morning and happy Vlogmas Day 5. We made it. We've made it to 5 days. I didn't even think I was gonna get to 2. It's really rainy here in Arizona today, so it'll probably just be a relaxed day. I have some homework. I'm probably gonna go make some coffee and we'll see what we can get ourselves into. I want to do crafting this like Christmas. I saw this girl who Kylie, I don't know if you guys know who she is, obviously you know who she is, but and I just woke up so my hair looks real grim. Anyways, let me fix that. Back to what I was saying, she's making Christmas cards and I think that's so cute and I want to do that, but all my like crafting and Cricut stuff is back at home and I'm not even going to be home until like December 23rd. So do we think I can still make Christmas cards? Or should I just start working on Valentine's cards? Anyways, good morning from me and my crazy hair. And let's go make coffee.
Dad said 2 of them are 20.
Here is a little gym fit. It is cold and I'm from Southern California, so I have a Joylab on from Target, a shirt from PacSun, puffer from H&M, and it's like kind of, and then leggings are Lululemon, Christmas socks, and then Air Maxes from Nike. It's wintry
In Arizona.
Look at that. Winter in AZ. Bring my puffer. I don't know why it's so zoomed. Just doing homework and watching a movie. It's literally pouring outside, so cozy vibes only today. Cozy vibes only ever, to be honest. Look at the tree, and then the other tree, and then there's another tree. Hot chocolate. I love doing like quote unquote themed hot chocolate. Really all that means is themed sprinkles and peppermint whipped cream. Delicious. Watching Vlogmas. Well, this isn't it, but we're watching Vlogmas. Of course, we're watching Vlogmas because what else? Also, my hair looks crazy because I sweated at the gym, and so obviously it got curly. Hello, vlog. Oh, my hair looks short. It's quite a bit later. I honestly have just been watching vlogs, like Christmas vlogs, and doing homework all day. It's, I don't know if you can see that. It's okay, well, it's too bright to see, but it's 6:18 and it's just been pouring all day, so I don't want to do anything. I just want to relax, sit here as I am, literally relaxing. So if I do anything else, I think we're supposed to be decorating a Christmas tree today, but we may or may not. Maybe we'll make some more like Christmas drinks. I think I wanted to make a I've already made it, but like a sugar cookie martini, which is really yummy. So if I do anything else, I don't know why it looks so red. If I do anything else, I will be sure to vlog a bit. Other than that, peace and blessings. Christmas tree decorating. I just wanted to show you guys, it was candle day today. Look at how cute this reusable bag is from Bath and Body. So I got 2 candles. I got, oh, that's not mine. And look, it's like spaces for candles. So cute. I got this one, the stress relieving eucalyptus. And then I got this one, which is like my all-time favorite Christmas scent. It's just Merry Cookie. So, and then also this one, the Tipsy Elf. This one I think is a new scent. But yeah, the 3 wicks, they're usually like $25, $26, and they were only like 9 something today. So I think it may be one more day, I'm not sure. But look at the little reusable bag, so cute.